What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome, and for those of you that are subscribed already to my channel, welcome back. I know I have been MIA for a little bit and I apologize. I feel like I always say that on all my videos, but a girl has been busy. So I hope everybody has been doing well. I hope everybody has been enjoying their summer. And for those of you that have been subscribing to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And in today's video, I want to do like a mini unboxing. Sorry if you guys hear any noise in the back. As most of you know, I live in the city, so I live in a very busy area. So if you hear any background noise, I apologize. But like I was saying, this is going to be a small unboxing video from Tweezerman. Just to let you know, this video is not sponsored. I bought all of this with my own money. And the reason why I bought these tools was because I recently started working in a nail salon. That's going to be a little mini story time in another video. And I wanted to get tools that were good quality. I have a lot of like cuticle cutters and cuticle pushers that I've bought from like little nail supply stores, and they're not as great as these tools. They are a little bit on the expensive side, but honestly they are definitely worth it. But yeah, guys, so let me just show you what I got. So first off, I have to say their shipping is incredible. The day that I received this box was actually the first day of me starting in the salon, and I had ordered it like 2 days before. So it literally came right before I had to go to work, which I was super excited. So as you can see, I got myself a double-sided foot file. So this I will be using at home. I definitely want to do a pedicure video, so if you guys are interested in that, let me know. I also purchased a Callus Remover. I feel like I've bought these in like pharmacies, but they're never like as good as like the originals. And as you can see, I got a Cuticle Nipper. I got 3 of these, you know, just to have as backup. So these I have been using at my job, and let me just say, they are amazing. They have yet to get dull, and it cuts the cuticles like butter, literally. And I am not a fan of cutting cuticles, and it has made it so easy for me. I also got 3 cuticle pushers. It is a double-sided. So I definitely like these because some cuticle pushers, I feel like they hurt when you're pushing back the cuticles, and these don't. And last but not least, I got 3 Toenail Clippers. These are also great. Like, it's just amazing. Their products are amazing. So this is everything together. I have to say, like I said in the beginning, they are a little bit pricey, but when I ordered them, I got lucky because there was a sale going on. So I got 10% off, and then I also got, I believe it was like a birthday code, because it was right before my birthday. So yeah, I definitely loved these tools. I definitely recommend them. You probably will see them in some of my videos in the future coming up. I definitely want to get some for the house. Right now I just bought them for work, but they are truly amazing, guys. And the reason why I wanted to do this video was because before I purchased them, I did not find any videos like this on YouTube. So I figured, you know, if there's any nail techs that are starting off and they want to get good tools, I would definitely recommend these. And they also have a service where you could send your tools in and they could sharpen them for you for free. And that comes in very handy, especially when you work in a salon environment, because tools do end up getting dull. So here I'm just opening the Callus Remover, which I found it weird that it doesn't have a cover in the back, but it's totally fine. It was very sharp. I have yet to use it. I probably will be making a video today using it, and so you guys could see. It is very lightweight, very comfy to hold, because I feel like there's some nail files or callus remover that they're a little bit on the heavier side, but this is super lightweight. So I desperately needed a foot file. So this foot file is supposed to exfoliate and smooth your feet out. So meaning one side is a little rougher than the other. And again, it is very lightweight as well. I have seen these in like drugstores, like the Tweezerman brand, but I feel like in stores they are more expensive. So you are better off just going to their actual website and just ordering them. And like I said, the shipping was amazing. I loved that it only took like 2 days, literally. So I definitely will be using that foot file as well in an upcoming video. So if you guys are interested in pedicure videos, let me know. I know I've said in my older videos I would never do pedicures, but ever since starting this new job, things have changed. So if you are interested in seeing a pedicure video or a callus remover video, leave a little thumbs up emoji down below. Alright, so now I'm going to be showing you the cuticle nippers. So like I mentioned before, I am not a fan of cutting cuticles, but unfortunately where I work, they actually do give you the option of getting your cuticles cut. So this nipper has definitely saved my life because like I said, it cuts like butter. Also though, if you're not used to cutting cuticles, you definitely have to be careful because since it is so sharp, it could cut somebody. I have been fortunate enough not to cut anybody as of yet, and I've been there for maybe like a month and a half. So that's another reason why I wanted to make this video, because I really wanted to rave about these cuticle cutters. Like I said, I have bought cheaper ones from like little nail supply stores, and they always end up cutting me, or they get dull very fast. So these were definitely a great purchase, and like I said, you could actually send them in and get them sharpened for free. So now I'm going to be showing you the Cuticle Pusher. So in the box in the back, I should have froze it. It lets you know if you could sterilize the tool. So this one you can. I have put it in barbicide, and the only reason why I am mentioning this is because the purple part is kind of like a silicone, and at first I was scared that maybe the barbicide will eat through it, but it's totally fine. You could put it in barbicide, nothing happens to it, and it is a very good cuticle pusher. Now with the other side, I wish it was kind of like the hook one. It's not bad. You could still clean under the nail and stuff, but I definitely wish that it would have been like another type of design, if that makes sense. But the top part, this part, is very great to push back the cuticles. All right, and now we're going to be moving on to the toenail clipper. So I have to say I love this nail clipper, but for some reason this part right here, it is a little bit on the flimsier side. But other than that, it is a really great toenail clipper. It is a straight edge. I do not like, I believe they're called the C curve ones. So definitely get the straight edge if you ever get them. And yeah, guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope that this video helps anybody that is looking for any implements for, you know, their job, or even for their at-home creativity. Like I said, this video is not sponsored. I bought all of this with my own money, and I just wanted to share with you guys what I got. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried this brand before and what you have gotten from them, because I definitely want to try more tools from them. Also, guys, keep hitting that subscribe button. Let's make this channel grow more than it has. And of course, share, share, share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.